Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to disable desktop right-click context menu in Windows 10. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand H key current user. Click and expand software. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows. Click and expand current version. Click and expand policies. Click Explorer. Right-click New DWORD 32-bit value. Type No View Context Menu, N, V, C, and M are capital letters. Change value data to 1. Click OK and exit Registry Editor. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.